Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sparkling Nail Studio with Sarah. Today, I received a mystery set package from a Destash group, and I thought it'd be fun to open it together. I purchased this because she was offering some unicorns, and she had Everyday I'm Sparkling, and so she had kind of a higher price than retail for it. But with that, you got 10, or some of the higher priced ones, because some of the really hard to find ones were upwards of $50. Those would come with 20 free mystery sets. Anyway, Everyday I'm Sparkling came with 10 free mystery sets. And Everyday I'm Sparkling is probably the set that made me fall in love with Color Street. So, anyway, I couldn't say no. Do I need more sets? Should I be buying more sets? Absolutely not. But here we are. So, anyway, I thought it'd be fun to open this together. So, I'm excited to see Everyday I'm Sparkling in person again. I've had it one time in my life. I love pens. Okay, got me a pen and a bookmark. Cute. Man, I didn't know that there'd be another little envelope in here. I could have just had that. Let's go ahead and open this. Anyway, I think Everyday I'm Sparkling may have been the first set I ever saw on someone. And I didn't even know what it was, like what Color Street was, but I'm pretty sure, I said, "Oh, I love your nails." And they said, "Oh, thanks. Someone did them for me. They're Color Street." And I just remember, like it reminding me of Sesame Street. And so that's what makes me think that. And then I received it. They did bonus a bonus free set. This was in the early days, and there was one random free set, and one of the options was Everyday I'm Sparkling, and I ordered just to get Everyday I'm Sparkling because of the gorgeous purple. Um, let's see where Everyday I'm Sparkling. It should be a small package, right? Okay, let me actually read the names. I read some of them, but anyway, I'm curious what I'll get, if it'll be like a lot of duplicates or ones. Where's Everyday I'm Sparkling? Is it in? Oh, okay. Okay, there's more in this package. Okay, Everyday I'm Sparkling. Gorgeous holographic purple. They have other, like, what's the one? Glitter Days Ahead. Like, but just, I have a hardcore love for this one. So anyway, in my random, I did one order, and I just hoped I'd get Everyday I'm Sparkling, and that's what I got. So, okay, so here's what we've got. I mean, I expect these to be ones that she's just trying to clear out. Yep, and there's 10 there. So Hope Blooms. Those are pretty, the roses. I'm not as much for like the but as far as awareness sets go, this is much prettier than I would have thought in person. And it's not one I have yet, so that's good. Not a duplicate. Okay, and Grunge Gal. I don't have this one, and yeah, and it's in like the brown, but it's more like a copper. It's more in like the browns category, so it's not one that I necessarily would have ordered, but I think I would wear that. And then Made in Milan, a pretty cherry coke. I do have this one, so this may be one that I pass on a set, use it as a gift, or I haven't worn it yet, so it is one that I wanted for quite a while, and then finally got a hold of. Okay, and then Los Angeles, neon pink, because I can tell because it's got the paper cover, so that's always a win. Pinks are always a win. Okay, and Pink Power. I believe I have this one, but so far I'm not disappointed. These are not bad sets at all. Mojave Turquoise. Okay, this is my third set of this. So we'll see what I do with those. Yeah. If anyone likes this set and wants to trade, I got a lot of it. Okay, and Supernova. I have had this one before, but I did pass it on to my Advent buddy at Christmas time. But it's a pretty one, so that's fine. I'm in a mood. This is one I have avoided. I don't love it. I'm sure there's some use of it. I wonder if my sister would like it. I don't know. Okay, and then Deepwater Opal. Okay, I love Deepwater Opal. It's gorgeous. It's the Prism Effects. Oldie but goodie. I do like that one. Okay, and then Princess Cut. That's a good Okay, I'm not disappointed at all in these. I was kind of expecting to get, like the ones that are just like, oh. We have those sets that you see if you're in D-Stash that you see all the time. So, okay. And now I really just need to stay away from the D-Stash groups, but I'm so excited to have Everyday I'm Sparkling. So thanks for hanging out with me while we opened this. That was fun. I'm a sucker for surprises. So Everyday I'm Sparkling and surprise mystery sets. you know, I couldn't resist. So there was no hope there. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to catch you out on the next one. See you guys later.